Welcome to JH. I recently tested the Luna heater to see how its real-world performance stacks up against the marketing claims. This device is a very small, plug-in ceramic space heater, roughly the size of a typical desk gadget. One immediate observation is how quickly it generates heat after activation. If you are positioned close to it, the warmth is quite effective for keeping your hands or feet comfortable. Regarding power consumption, it plugs into any standard wall outlet and draws about 1,500 watts. This power level is fairly standard for most compact heaters on the market. While it doesn't offer revolutionary energy savings, it performs exactly as you would anticipate for a unit of this scale. Based on my testing, the Luna heater is most effective when used as a personal warming device. It isn't intended to heat up a full room, particularly larger spaces. However, it serves as a convenient solution if you need a bit of extra warmth while working at a desk, reading, or relaxing in front of the TV. Its compact design allows you to easily transport it or place it exactly where you need it most. Ultimately, it fulfills the basic functions of a small ceramic heater quite well.